Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Kimmy from the Bearsy Library, and today I have to post the video because I don't know if anybody else was watching before. I was on a YouTube live and I got copyrighted, which I don't know really exactly what that means, but I said something or did something wrong on there, so like almost at the end of my video it deleted my video and removed it. So sorry this video is gonna be late today, but hope you guys can forgive me. I did bad things. I don't know what I did wrong on YouTube. I'm trying to learn YouTube a little bit more now because I don't really use it that often, but just to watch videos, but I've never posted on there. So still learning, so I apologize for my mistake. So today's video is going to be DIY stickers. So I'm going to show you two different ways on how to do it. So the first way, I'm going to start with the first way, and then once like midway I'm going to stop and show you the second way because there's a longer step that has to go with the first way. So the first way is you're gonna need a bowl of water. I have a small bowl, maybe a bigger bowl would be better for you guys. Some paper towels because you can get it a little messy. Some wax paper, some scissors. You're gonna need tape. You can use packaging tape or like Scotch tape. It doesn't matter which one. I just had this and it's bigger so it covers more of the picture, so I don't have to do so many pieces. And you're gonna need a printed image from a laser printer. So I'm going to do this one. I had a different one from a video, the video I did earlier, so I'll show you those after as well. So you're going to take your image. I'm going to pull you guys down towards what I'm doing on here. So you're going to take your wax paper. You don't have to do it on the wax paper. You can do it like right on the table, but it might be a little bit easier to pull off the tape. So you're just gonna put your image right on the wax paper. Don't like slap it right in the middle because then you're just gonna waste space. Same with the other one. So you're gonna take the tape and we're just gonna put it right over the image. So for this image it's kind of big, so I'm gonna use 2 pieces of tape on there. I made that really close by accident. And you kind of want to center it with the tape. That one I just did by accident. I kind of got the end, but that's okay. And then I'm going to put another piece of tape. It's okay if you layer it, it's still going to work the same. Just because this was a bigger image. So this one, you do need a laser printer, like I said, for this. Why? Because if you use one that's not a laser printer, the image won't come off all the way when you use it. So I'm just gonna trim this a little bit so it's not so big in the water. This one's kind of a bigger image. I did my smaller one earlier, but that one got, I already did that one for my other video. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit around it, just to make it a little bit smaller. I wanna leave some tape over the edges. So now that you've had it cut out and ready, you're just gonna put it into some water. The water temperature doesn't matter. Just make sure it's under the water, and you need to leave it in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can leave it in there longer if you just want to leave it in there and then go do something real quick. You can, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the temperature of the water is either. Just boil water, 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to put that aside while that's soaking. I'm going to show you the second method. So the second method, you can use any image you want. So you can print one out, you can draw your own, and it can be any color, anything. With the one with the water, I did one with a blue background, and the blue background did come out in the sticker. So the one I had was like, I had other ones. So this is for the first method. This one was my first attempt, so that's why it's so bad. But you just need like something bold like this, like big lines, because I did this other one, which is a Hydro Flask, and it's just really thin, so you couldn't really see it as well, but you can still see it, but it's not as defined as like the bigger, thicker mandala one. Also, what else? I did this one as well. This says, is it Friday yet? And then in my other video I did this scrunchie. It's like really bad on there because I was trying to finish up the video. But yeah, so that's for the first one. This is it Friday yet? Had a blue background, and it did show up on my wax paper, but since my bottle's blue, you can't really see it on here. So I'm not sure if it would work if you put it like on like a laptop case. So these are good for like putting in your water bottles, your laptop case, or anything in your room or anything, the stickers. So we're gonna get to the second method. So the second method is just as easy as the first one. So you're gonna take your wax paper. Like I said, don't slap it right in the middle. We're gonna do it on the side so you can use all this paper and not waste it. You're gonna take some tape, and I might have to use 2 again. I'm gonna size it up. Yeah, I gotta use 2. So this one, you're not gonna put it on top of the image yet. You're gonna put 2, well, I'm gonna put 2 because my image is bigger. You're gonna put the layer of tape on the wax paper, like I am right now. So you do that. You're just gonna lay it flat. Then we're gonna put the image right on top of the tape. Probably center it so it's a lot easier to see. And then we're gonna take the tape again, and we're gonna put some layers right on top of it too. I'm gonna put it right on top. Just take your time when doing this so you don't get air bubbles in there. Like bigger ones, you can see there's probably some right there, but there's the bigger ones that are kind of hard to get out. You probably get them out with like a credit card or something flat. So now that you do that, we're just gonna cut it out. So don't cut it too close because then it won't come out all the way. Maybe just leave some tape on the sides. I'll show you once I cut it. And when I do this, I'm gonna leave a little bit of wax paper on the bottom, like exposed from the tape, because it'll make it a million times easier to peel off your sticker. That's like the hardest part, I think, of this one, getting the wax paper off the sticker once you put it on there. So since I left some, it was super easy to just peel off real quick. So I'm just peeling it off right now. And then since I have it peeled off, I'm just gonna cut a little bit more because this is kind of thick. Sorry, I keep moving up here because my camera was up here before. I'm just gonna cut around a little bit. Don't cut too much because you want to leave a little bit on the sides too, so it can really stick in to your surface. I'm just doing this real quick, but obviously you would probably take your time and be a little bit more neater with this. But I'm just trying to do this real fast. And then there you go. So that's your sticker. So this side's sticky all the way through. It's kind of like a pocket for this picture, and then you put the tape and then tape some more. So that's a super, I kind of like the sticker, and then you just put it on whatever image you want. So I'm gonna put it right on my water bottle. This one actually came out really good. I had this one from earlier as well, but I'm not gonna say the name because I think this is what got me copyrighted. So I just had this shoe. This one came out really good. I like that one a lot. Looks good with the white around it. So with this method, you can draw your own and then do it that way as well if you're really into drawing your own characters. So yeah, so that's that method. So we're gonna go back to the first method. I'm gonna leave that wax paper. So I'm gonna bring this bowl back over here with the paper towel so I don't get everything wet. And this has been soaking for a little bit. So you're just gonna, you can do it in the water, but I'm gonna show you kind of out. Right now, you're just gonna rub the back. And you'll see the paper is starting to come off. And the image is staying. So I'm gonna do it a little bit underwater a little bit, because it's a little bit easier, I think, underneath the water. And this might take some time and everything. Just do the best you can. Try to get all that white off so you don't have to see it, because I didn't get all the white off my first one and it came out like this. So it's like, there's like pieces all over the place. Just take your time, do it. I would recommend a bigger bowl. This bowl's really small. It's cramping my hands up. Do it in like a bigger glass, plastic bowl, whatever you have. I might not like do it perfect on this one just because you probably don't want to watch me rub this piece of paper for like 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna try my best real quick. I'm gonna do it fast. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm not gonna use this one because I have a bunch I already made. So once you have this all done, you can just put it like on the side of your bowl, or you can get like another cup and like just let it dry a little bit. So once, it was just a little dry a little bit, but I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna work real quick. So once you let it dry for like maybe like 5 minutes, then once it's dry, which mine is not obviously because I just did it, you can put it on the wax paper and you can kind of push some of the water out. You can just use your fist or your hand and kind of push some of that water out. Obviously mine's not perfect, but that's okay. You can see all the water right here coming out of it. And then just let it dry a little bit more. And let it dry. So let's see if I can peel one of these off. I like these. I didn't think they were going to be sticky. These ones were going to be sticky after they were soaking in the water. I thought I would take the sticky off the tape, but these are clearly sticky. Like they're real sticky. So that I thought was awesome. I'm going to throw this back on here. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the technical difficulties with YouTube. I'm still working on learning how to use it and everything. Move you guys back up. So just a reminder as well, I'm working on the sign right now after this for our rock garden. So when you pull in the parking lot, it should be right to the left when you're first pulling into the parking lot by like our door. It's a big yellow sign. You can't miss it. I'm still working on it. I would grab it, but it's not finished. But it's big and yellow, and that's what you'll see, and it'll have some words on it that you can read, and that's where the rock garden will be. So paint your rocks, get into our rock garden. You can take one, you can share one, you can leave one. That's our little motto there. And share it with us on social media, on our Facebook and our Instagram. I'll have the Instagram and Facebook name on the flyer as well, and all that. So. And don't forget, our curbside is opening tomorrow, so put your request in for books and we should get your books to you soon. So I hope you guys enjoy the day. Today's really nice out, nice and cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on, what's today? Today's Tuesday. So I'll see you on Thursday for tie-dye cupcakes. For that video, I'm just gonna post the video. I might just do that from now on, just pre-record them and then post them, because this live thing is a little bit difficult with like copywriting and stuff. So I'll have to just record and then just post. I'll just post them at 2 o'clock as well. Okay, so thank you guys and have a good day. And I'll see you on Thursday for tie-dye cupcakes. Bye.